So Marvel Studios is typically known for lifting the embargo for their reviews, aka when everybody can actually publish their review a full month to 3 weeks ahead of the film's release. This is usually due to them feeling very comfortable about the movie and wanting people to start talking about it to get that huge Rotten Tomatoes score. Well, that's all about to change with Avengers Infinity War. The film, of course, releases now worldwide on April 27th, and you would think by now we would already start hearing about people seeing the movie, their initial thoughts, and that the review would be out sometime in the first week of April to get that hype going, but that's not the case. As we have learned today, the official embargo for Avengers Infinity War is going to lift on Monday, April 23rd at 10:30 in the morning, meaning it's only lifting 3 to 4 days before the movie is opening up worldwide. So yeah, it looks like we're going to have to wait quite a while before we start hearing about what the people and what critics and everybody's thinking about it. And of course, I'm assuming this means that actual public screenings of the movies, ones you can get to or ones that people might be invited to that are like internet critics and stuff that aren't working for major outlets, probably are not being held before that Tuesday or Wednesday after the reviews already hit. And this is of course a major play by Disney. I think this is something that they have to do with this movie just because of the nature of how big it is and how many things are going to be happening. So yeah, honestly, this just gets me more hyped. I mean, I've never seen Disney hold this far back for a Marvel movie review embargo, and that's pretty insane considering you think, like a turd like Thor: The Dark World had its lifted like 2.5 weeks early. So I guess it's just kind of wait and see and wish for the best. And I don't think the movie's terrible or anything. I just think they're playing their cards right and building off that hype.